Sakit. Aray. Sakit naman. Oh, hanapin mo ka saan? Wrong.
Thank you.
Oh, dahil coach mo, oh. Anak! Masakit!
Wait ka.
Gotcha. This is my defense mechanism. Yung dog, sakit. Ay! Stop! Stop!
Wait, I'm trying to get it out.
Ano, football? Ay, wala. Ante, nag-ano sila.
Linuni. Ay. Let's just open the door.
Defense mechanism. This iyan yung ano, air missiles. Kasi ito yung defense mechanism, air dome.
You wanna get injected? Okay, in 3, 2, 1, fire!
Ay! Taasan mo rin!
Ay! My things!
May bag.
My things! It's
Things
full
bag.
of things!
Ay, masakit.
Wait!
Ano, tara, away tayo.
Oh, Ma! Daddy, look!
7:45?
Yeah?
Meron ba soccer ngayon?
Opo!
Sino sabi?
Si Coach. Si William and si Madden.
Agay. Machake.
Daddy, masakit.
Masakit tiga mo pag ganyan mo. Pag ganyan mo siya. Oh. Tapos, pag nasubrahan siya na ganyan, ito yung pag ganyan niya, impact, masakit. Yun na yung masakit. Kasi pag ito, it will retract. Pero pag tug, yun na yung masakit. Tug. Sige daw.
Let me try.
Huwag sa akin, ha? Di ba?
It doesn't even hurt. Pew, pew. Pew, pew.
Missile.
Ay.
Ate, na-intercept ko.
You missed it.
Nakahang na siya.
Yeah.
Di ba, intercept ka agad?
You did this to the...
Ow. Wala pa.
You're impatient.
May pasok pa kami na ka. Uy, iwan kita dito.
Huh?
Mag-call ka lang. Tapos sabi mo, tapos wala palang soccer, no? Anong gawin mo?
I don't know.
Mag-hitch ka na lang, sabi mo. SDA. Di ba?
No.
Yes.
Medal and soccer. Just wait for a little while. A little while.
Wait for a little while.
Uh-huh.
Anak mo. Ay!
I knew it. I knew it. When you do that hook.
I have a defense. See?
Ay.
Ay, matawa.
Oh, God.
Defense.
Wait.
Defense.
Wait. Wait. Okay.